Hey YouTube family, so guess what? That Farmington, Utah Bigfoot that was traversing up that mountain in broad daylight, apparently a local helicopter pilot seen that, heard about it, and he took his chopper up to see if he could find tracks or footprints or anything. This is what he caught.
Rocky Mountain Sasquatch. Several folks asked if anyone had searched for tracks, and others stated we should send a drone up to where a suspect Bigfoot was filmed running up a steep mountainside near one of the high elevation Wasatch Front mountain peaks. A helicopter pilot flew over the Wasatch Front mountain range looking for evidence right after watching the video. Not saying that was a Bigfoot running in an uphill direction on a very steep mountainside and deep snowpack that is windswept and iced over most of the day. Nor am I saying that these giant footprints in this large trackway is Bigfoot. However, this trackway is consistent with most credible Bigfoot trackways when the creature is running or moving at a brisk pace. These brisk pace trackways usually have long strides and the footprints are directly in front of each other as if the creature is walking a tightrope. Perhaps one or both of these pieces of video evidence is just a coincidence, or one or both is actual evidence of this rare, elusive giant. Keep on watching, we're gonna keep on squatching.